Which country are you from?
I am from United States.
How many members do you have in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Am I allowed to take pictures inside the museum?
Yes, but please, no flash photography.
Am I doing this right?
Yes, keep it up.
Am I late?
No, you are right on time.
Am I supposed to tip the waiter at this restaurant?
Yes, it's customary to tip 20 of the bill.
What does your father do?
My father is a bank manager.
How many countries have you visited?
I haven't visited any country yet.
How long does it take to learn English?
It depends on you. It will take 1 or 2 months.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor.
When did you arrive there?
I arrived there almost 2 days ago.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Why don't you have a boyfriend?
To be honest, I don't know. Maybe I don't look beautiful.
Why do you think that you are not beautiful?
If I were beautiful, boys might propose to me.
Do you like to use social media?
No, I don't like it much.
Why don't you like it?
I feel it's a waste of time.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a bank manager.
Are you new here?
Yes, I'm new here.
Why are you going there?
I have some work there.
Can you speak English like a native speaker?
No, I can't.
Who is the richest person in the world?
It's an Elon Musk.
Do you like to use social media? Do you like to play online games?
Actually, I don't like online games.
Why don't you like that?
I feel it's a waste of time.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a bank manager.
Are you new here?
Yes, I'm new here.
Why are you going there?
I have some work there.
How do you know me?
I have seen you at the event.
Are you coming here this month?
Yes, I may come this month.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like pets.
Why do you like pets?
Pets bring joy and companionship to people's lives.
Why do you like the village? How many pets do you have?
I have 2 pets in my house.
Are you almost done with your work?
Yes, just a few more questions to go.
Are you gonna watch the new movie that just came out?
Yes, I heard it's really good.
Are you good at cooking?
I enjoy cooking, and I'm always trying to improve my skills.
Are you interested in politics?
Not really. I prefer to stay out of it.
Are you kidding me?
No, I am serious.
Is she pregnant?
Yes, she is pregnant.
Are they currently living together in a house?
No, they don't live together anymore.
Did she love you?
Yes, she loved me.
Do you still love her?
Yes, I can't forget her.
Did you help her to get the job?
Yes, I helped her.
What's the salary do you get?
I get $8,000 in a month.
Are you happy with your job?
Yes, I am pretty happy in my job.
When do you want to get married?
I am not sure. Maybe within 2 years.
Do you like city or village life?
I like village life a lot.
Why do you like the village?
There is not much noise pollution as compared to the city.
You want something to drink?
Thank you. Can I have a cup of tea and some biscuits?
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would like some coffee.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is 2 minutes away.
Where do you come from?
I come from Canada.
Where did you go?
I went to the market for shopping.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.